Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to be making this video because I've managed to find some Animal Company promo codes working right now in 2025. These are going to get you tons of free coins or money. You can also get tons of free research points as well, and you can also unlock all skins. Super easy, guys. These are by far the best promo codes for Animal Company. And I spent a long time searching Google like I'm doing here, trying tons of different codes, and the ones that I'm going to show you are by far the best. So you just need to make sure you follow all of the instructions. It's going to take you a few minutes, but it is well worth it, considering just how much resources and money you're going to get from this. So open up the internet, use your mobile. I recommend you do this on your mobile phone. Doesn't matter if you're on iPhone or Android. You've got to go to Cold Coupons. www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys, straight into your phone internet. Cold Coupons. This is a codes website. They have promo codes for tons of different games. You can scroll through and have a look. They have pages and pages of different stuff, so you can just go to the search bar at the top here and search for Animal Company, and you're looking for this page here, guys. Now there's currently 3 verified working promo codes. They're being used and they're highly rated. As I mentioned, you can get a code for a free for all free skins. So this is going to get you unlock all skins in Animal Company. This is 100 free research points. And this is 25,000 free company coins or free money. I'm going to go ahead and choose the coins. So you've got to click on get code, and this confirms your Animal Company promo code. This is 25,000 free coins, highly rated and being used. Click on show full code. Okay, so it's found a valid code. And you can see here your coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So you can see, guys, your Animal Company promo code, in this case for 25,000 free coins, is currently locked and protected. What you're going to need to do, guys, is unlock your code. It does take a few minutes. I've already done it, and it does limit 1 code per person. But basically, guys, all you're going to need to do is click on get full code. You're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your your promo code. And once you do that, it will be fully revealed. You can redeem it in Animal Company, and it's going to supply you with 25,000 free coins. They also have, of course, the free research points as well. So you just got to select which Animal Company promo code you want. So really easy, guys. Just go to Cold Coupons, and they're by far the best currently working promo codes for Animal Company. So enjoy, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.